Hi folks, and welcome back to Fishing with Den. So I finally got round to making my new combination seat box platform and trolley. Now at the moment, as you can see it down here, it's just set up as a platform, and all I would do is use this if I wanted to get my box leveled. The legs are down at the moment, but of course they're all fully adjustable as you'd expect. Box just sits on, my platform comes down, and I'm comfortable. Now obviously I wanted to make a combination platform because it makes sense. I probably won't use this too much as a platform, more on the trolley side, because my own seat box over here has the separate extending legs and this drop down platform here. So let's actually set this up as a trolley then. The easy way to do it, just grab the wheels and the axle. I just put my foot on the floor here just to hold the thing down, put it in and just lock off. There we go, you don't have to screw in too tight, just lock off the wheels. Okay, so all I have to do now is to put this on to the platform, and in case you're wondering why I've turned the whole thing around, it's because the sun was getting in the way. But basically you just locate it into these two corner holders here, drop off the retaining strap and then lift up the platform, fit it as if you were going to go fishing. That goes into the two retaining corners here, and now we've got somewhere to sit the bag onto, the carry-all. Now I could have made a plate to go on the bottom here, but because my box has only got the, it's already got its own plate, I don't need one of those. But if you don't have a front plate on your box, you can always fit just a piece of 1/16 or 1.6mm aluminium plate on there, and that becomes your foot plate. Okay, the only other things I've got to put on here now are my wellies. I'll just stack those up like that. Get my coat on top. Now I haven't got a hold all with me today because I don't need to use a pole, so I've just got my rods strapped up over the back. I'm going to use these tie-down straps to secure everything, and the way I do that is take it underneath, make sure you miss the axle at the back, come around and then just fit it together. Maybe make this one a bit shorter eventually. I'll just tuck this in out of the way, stop it flapping. Same for this one on the other side. And that should then be nice and secure, that's not going anywhere. Again, just tuck that one underneath out of the way. For the handle, I've decided to go with a single handle here because it works for me. If you wanted a double handle, like a wheelbarrow style, just make two of these and fit them on the side instead of in the centre, where I fit mine here. That just locks down like that. Now we're ready to go. Just a quick word of warning, before you try and walk off, you've still got your legs down. So I tend to lift these back legs up quite a lot. Now it should all stay weight forward because these axles here are actually just a little bit set back. So you shouldn't have any problems with the whole thing collapsing backwards on you. Then at the front end, I do pull them up, but only a smaller amount. And the reason for that is just so that they don't catch on the floor when you're going along. Up to about there, be fine. And then we're ready to go. So let's get down there and see how this works in practice. Okay then, so we're going down this path today, and it's obviously down a hill. So I could actually just pull the thing behind me still, or I may just allow the thing to go forward and I'll restrain it. But let's give that a go. Yeah, I can actually feel the weight of this pushing me forward now, so if I turn it around, and then, as I say, oh, that's much better, I can restrain it that way. We're in luck today. They've been cutting the grass, which is probably the noise you can hear in the background too. And that's about it really. That's all there is to the trolley part of it. Now obviously I could take this apart and I can use the platform next if I want to. If we come down and have a look at the edge down here, there's been quite a lot of rain lately, so the water's quite high. So I could put the front end of the platform in there and that would accommodate what I need to do. Luckily, because I made my own seat box there, it has its own extending legs, so I don't need to use this as a platform today. And really, that's all there is to it, guys. I will be producing a video or two on how to actually build the combined trolley and platform over the next week or so. So feel free to have a look at those. And while you're at it, why not check out the build of the seat box itself, and I'll put a couple of links up above and also down in the description box down below to help you. And that's it, guys. That's it for another one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click the like button. If you want to subscribe, you can. And until the next time, bye for now.